music. Yeah. Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Ito naman. Yun naman. Uy! Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Yan. Ito naman. Ladies and gentlemen, Maricel Soriano. At sino ka ba? Ayaw mo nga sabihin. Huwag galing pa wala natin ako kapag. Hindi mo nga sabihin. Inaanak sa kasal natin, Joy. Hey! Yes! Yeah! Oh, there you go. Oh, nakapalapakan natin. Yes. Thank you, Kuya Romy. Thank you. Tama. Romy Albopera. Inaanak ng ating Joy sa kasal. See? Sa kumpil pala. Sorry. Is. Sorry. Mali yung nagpil sa akin. Di ba may himala? Oh. Ito nyo lang naranasan. Nakita mismo ng inyong mga mata. Sumayaw ang buong Nazareno. Kaya napakaswerte natin ngayon gabi. Joke lang yun natin, mapakaganda mo. Yes naman. Talaga kanina pa gustong iuwi ng Kuya Pong si Ate Joy at nang masundan si Hana. Baka kaya pa. Okay, now moving on. Ay, teka, dito ka namin pauupuin. Halika. Kasi kailangan mo mapanood to. Yes. Maraming tao talaga gusto bumati sa iyo, yung mga hindi nakarating. Siyempre, naghanda ng mga mensahe para sa iyo. Okay? Panoodin po natin ito mga video message for our celebrator.
Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know what time it is there, but I'm going to greet you on your milestone, 60th birthday. You have accomplished a lot in your life, and I'm really very, very proud. And this is to wish you all the best. Right now, we are closing in the last time at Ruby Princess. Who's this? And we just had our Ruby with line. And so I wish you all the best and enjoy your party. And hope to see you again soon in America and then this time in Canada. Happy Mwah!
Happy 60th birthday, Jocelyn. Cheers.
Hi, Jocelyn. Happy 60th birthday. Greeting from Endicott, Alaska. Behind me is the glacier. Just want to wish you a happy 60th birthday. Good health always. And happy retirement na rin, early retirement. And we pray for continued and enjoy your life as you can, travel as you can. And I know you're so good and beautiful, and enjoy your citizenship, your senior citizen. We'll see you soon. Happy 60th. Enjoy the party. Bye. We love you.
Happy 60th birthday to Jocelyn. May God bless you in more years, great health, and protection and guidance. We love you so much.
Happy 60th birthday to Jocelyn. I am very hope to see you next year. See everybody.
Happy 60th birthday to Jocelyn. We love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Jocelyn!
Hi, Auntie Jocelyn. Happy birthday. We wish we were there celebrating with you. We'll see you soon.
Hello, Joy! Birthday mo na! Sayang, wala kami dyan.
Yeah. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday and more blessing.
See you in Canada one of these days.
Okay.
Hi.
See you in Canada.
Uy, nakakatuwa ka ba kaya? Ang dami mong pinamili. Para sa birthday mo, ang dami mong shoes.
Okay. Happy birthday and God bless. Wishing you all the best. Love
We
you.
love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next year.
Hello, Ate Joy. Happy birthday. Happy 60th. God bless you and wish you more years to come. Enjoy life. Stay safe and healthy.
Hi, Ate Joy. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Sabi ni Kuya Bong, this is a surprise. So, kaya, ito, ahead of time, nagtanong kami para sa birthday mo. Ate Joy, pasensya, nandito kami Jim sa Canada. Kaya, hindi pa nagkakatin. Nandiyan lang sana, walang problema. Happy 60th birthday, kapatid. And we wish you all the best. May all the blessings and dreams and plans that you're asking from God, pagkakalas sa iyo.
Be happy birthday.
Hello po sa inyo lahat.
Gusto kayo dyan. Happy 60th birthday, Ate Len. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung magiging senior citizen mo. Okay yan. Mas marami ka ng discount ngayon. Kaya sana sa pag-ulit namin, samahan mo kami para pa-discount. Kahit ikaw lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Jocelyn. Sana nandyan kami kaya
Nandito kami. Kaya wala kami. Pero, next year, plano namin yung lahat kasama yung mga bata. Kaya sana magkita-kita tayo lahat. Wala pang date, pero uwi kami lahat yan sa Batangas.
Baka first quarter. Kasi schedule ng mga bata ay naayos ka namin. Pero sana matuloy. And thank you nga pala for last year. Sobrang naging happy kami. And sa bakasyon namin dyan. So sana next year, sama-sama ulit tayo. Pero ngayon, syempre, hatatiin ka na namin ng happy birthday. And sana enjoy lang. Maging masaya ka. Stay beautiful. Saka dapat bawas kain.
More blessings sa'yo at sa family mo. At kung may time kayo, ni Kuya Bong, saka ni Hana, na kayo dito sa Dubai.
Oo, kami na bahala sa inyo. Welcome kayo sa bahay namin at dito sa Dubai. Pasyal namin kayo. Happy birthday, Ate Lynn again. And I love you. We love you. We love your family.
Happy birthday! Enjoy! Kumusta sa inyo lahat? Bye-bye po!
Our heart is for you. birthday. Wishing you always a good health and never-ending happiness, you and your family. God bless you and hope to see you soon again. Enjoy your party. Happy birthday.
What is that? What is wrong with me?
Okay, stop. No. I think Joy, we're wishing you a happy 60th birthday. Wish you good health, goodbye, and we hope to see you soon.
I think Joy, happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. Happy 60th. Love you so much.
Happy birthday to Joy. I'm wishing you all the best today and every day. And I love you, we miss you, and happy 60th birthday.
Hi, everyone. Happy 60th. Wish you to be here so we're so happy that you visit us here in Chicago. It's so beautiful. I just want to wish you a year filled with love, joy, and many beautiful adventures. And have a great day.
Alright, Tia Joy, happy birthday!
Hi, Joy. I was asked to say something for your special day. And I'm thinking, what will I say? Because there is so many things in my mind. And to start with is how I can thank you for everything that you've done to me and to my kids. Your support, your understanding, your care. We do appreciate it and we treasure it. It's been years, a lot of years, but you never left us. You're always there. You give us all the news of what's going on over there. And you make me a part of the family. And for that, I'm really very thankful. The last time you were here, which is very, very surprising. I can't believe it that I've been seeing the both of you, the three of you over here. It's the most memorable day of the night. I can believe that we are together. It is gonna be the longest day, the long, full week that we are with you. You know me, you know us, we know you. And I hope you have a lot of memories to take with you in the Philippines and your adventure over here. Because we have a lot of good memories of the two of you. I thank you, Mom, Hannah, and you, especially you, Joy. And your 60th birthday, I don't know what I can give you. Or maybe it's just a prayer that you will have this longer life, a better health, because we want to be with you for a longer time. Happy birthday! And I hope to see you soon. You love me. I love you. Happy birthday, Tito John. Wish ko sa iyo good health, happiness, and more travels. And may all the birthday wishes come true. Just enjoy your senior life and enjoy this special day. Happy birthday. Tita Joy, happy 60th birthday. Wish you a good health, enjoy your day, and keep safe always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Joy! At long life at ikaw ay iingat palagi. Lagi kang pray para ikaw ay bigyan ng long life at good health. Para ikaw ay hindi laging huwag kang huwag kang magpapagod. Para ikaw ay lagi kang healthy. Kaya katulad ko, umabot ka sana ng 95 figures ko. Ako 95 na sa birthday ko. Kaya ikaw igayon din, long life at good health at lagi kayo magmamahalan ng anak. Huwag kayo magpapabaya sa isa't isa. Ano mang karamdaman ng bawat isa ay takbo na agad sa ospital para malunasan at mabigyan ng para humaba ang inyong buhay. Happy birthday at long life.
I started driving through the hills to me to come and get you. No words can convey the way it felt for me to finally hold you in my arms. Just long enough to know every word you're gonna say before we even think it. Somehow every joke you make is funnier each time around. Your laugh is such a perfect sound. These butterflies lived a million lives to say. I swear I've known you forever. I bet we already knew our names before we met each other.
Ayan, ulitin po natin kasi may exam tayo mga Okay, palapakan naman natin yung mga nag-message. Yes! Oo, yun yung last na picture na nakita nyo, yun yung bumisita siya sa US, tama? Oo. Pero sorry, kami lang ang nagkaroon ng pasalubong. Okay, to continue with our program, siyempre, hindi mawawala ang mga matitipon lalaki na makikipagsayaw sa'yo ngayong gabi. The 10-man dance, okay? As I call your name, dito lang po, isasayaw niyo si Ate Joy and mag-stay lang kayo dito sa side hanggang sa makumpleto natin yung 10 para sa group picture. At huwag niyo pong iiwan si Ate Joy nang wala pa yung kapatid, okay? Now, to have the first dance, let's call on Joel M. Joel M. Kapatid ng Ate Joy, sunod sa Ate Joy. Kuya Joel. Tingin po sa tuloy lang po ang sayaw. As I call on Kuya Joel. daming fans, no? Continue to bilang ang sayo as I call Kuya Art Alito. Continue dancing. Now we are called Susie Huelgas. Tuloy naman po ang sayaw habang tinatawag ko, Kuya Manny Alano. Sa pulang carpet po tayo. Bawal po ang nasarin ng ilabas sa pulang carpet. Next is also celebrating his birthday today, Paring Rolly Mendoza. Yeah. Bawal din naman. Mapupusong. The next may we call on Paring Peter Namandag. Mag-umiwaan po yun. Hindi nakikinig ng instruction. And of course, sa last dance natin, palapakan natin ang asawa na natin Joy, Kuya Bob, buong galing. Iba sayaw nyo, hindi ito bukas. Mga kaibigan, si
There's only you.
ang miyembro ng Minuto, Rocky Rosa. Uy! Ay, tagal! Mamaya, mahalin, mamaya. Mamaya. Oh, baladi. Yeah. Sabihin mo mga hawak, hindi sa puwi. Yeah. Sabay-sabay. Okay lang, mata sa mata. Yeah. Mata sa mata. Yeah. Pag-usapan nyo kung magkano babayaran ni mamaya. Joke lang. Alalahanin nyo yung panahon kayo ay mag-shota pa. Isipin yung panahon, you and me against the world. Yeah. Kung panahon, payapangan ni Diyos. Pause na music. Ngayon na ipakikita na natin ang halik ng isang apil. Mga kaibigan, 10 segundong halik ito. Agayahin si Oknor Dodo Mandanas. 10 seconds po. Yes. Kailangan parang kuhol. Alright. Yung hihigupin mo lahat ng pagmamahal. At ilalawin mo ang dila ng pag-ibig. Bata pa lang, sorry. Mga kaibigan, bibilang tayo. 10 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, yes, 3. Sige, ikapag mo yung kamay mo. 4, 5, 5. See? Ano sunod sa 5? 6. Ano sunod sa 6? 7. Ang sunod sa 7, 8. Ang sunod sa 8, 7 ulit. Tapos 8. Ang sunod sa 8, 8 pa rin. 9 and 10. Palagpakan natin. O, sige, tumingin ka. Tingin tama. Tingin tama. Okay, lahat po ng mga kalalakihan dito po. Yung halik pong yun ay mapapanood nyo sa pelikula ni Ate Joy na ang title ay Langit-ngit ng Papag. At may kadouble ho yun, kasunod, may sequel. Yung Langit-ngit ng Papag ay susundan ng Lagaslas ng Sapang Iga. Ayan, din yung picture. Okay na? Smile po tayo, smile. Okay na. A muna, naka-A. Naka-ganito po tayo. Yeah. Okay. Tapos finger heart. Teka, finger heart. Hindi naka-ganito. Finger heart. Kuya, hindi naka-ganito. Hindi ganito. Ay, ganito ang ginawa. Ganito ang finger heart. Okay. Huwag niyo pataksuhin. Ibang ibig sabihin. Okay, yan. Thank you! Palapakan naman natin itong mga gentleman na nag-finger heart. Yan. Next, sige, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo kasi masarap yung hapunan natin. Dalawang set of 6 na lang naman to. The 6 stars. Okay, tawagan po natin. O'Neil and Teo. Dapat si Teo nasa abroad. Kenneth and Ivy. Si Martha, isama mo si Martha, mag-represent kay Teo. Kenneth and Ivy, Yael and CJ, Alcoy and Majoy, Aloy and Julie, and Fernan and Jetta. Mga inaanak sa kasal nito. Emma and KM, please join them. Para makumpleto ang ating 6 stars. Alam niyo ng blocking, atras ng mantigo yan. Yung blocking, walang karangan.